how to use Meta Business Suite, complete Meta Business Suite tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make use of the Meta Business Suite. Tool is perfect if you have Facebook account, Instagram, and Messenger. So this tool can help you managing your social media account and also creating posts or stories, scheduling your posts and your stories, and checking your insight and many more. So there's no need for you to get another software or tools to manage your Facebook account or Instagram. Like for example, getting Buffer or Tailwind, there's no need for you to do that because you can do things here inside the Meta Business Suite that Buffer or Tailwind can do as well. And the good thing about this Meta Business Suite, it's 100% for free. So to get started, you need to first visit the site business.facebook.com, or you can also easily locate this one inside your Facebook account. So you just need to log into your Facebook personal account and go to Ads Manager and go to Home for you to be routed in this dashboard. But if you did not create your own Meta Business Suite yet, then you need to create an account or link your Facebook account. So you just need to go to business.facebook.com and link your Facebook account. Or you can go to your Ads Manager inside your Facebook account and start to create your own account. And now, as you can see, I already here inside my Meta Business Suite dashboard. So this is the home dashboard. And over here, you can see my Facebook account and Instagram already linked in. So here, the first thing that you can see is create posts. So you can create a post here. You can also create stories and create your own ads. So when you click create a post, then here inside the create post is where we can create a post, obviously. So here under your placement, so here I have checked the Facebook account. So it means that the post that I will be creating will be posted on my Facebook account only. But if I like to post it also on Instagram, then I just need to check this other box as well. But if you like only on Instagram, then uncheck Facebook and then just leave check on Instagram. And here you can start adding your text or your caption for your post. And once you added, you can also add some hashtag or some emoticon here and also add some media like your photos or videos for your content. And you have your location here. You can also add. And then here under Facebook, there is a additional action here. Like if you want to add call to action, just enable it and you will able to get a messages directly to your messenger. And you can also link a preview here and enable raise money, add some feeling or activity, and also do some A/B testing. And here under Instagram, there's no additional action here. And over here is where you can check the preview. It will be the look of your post once it will be added on the newsfeed of Facebook or Instagram. And after you're done creating your post, then you can hit publish button here to publish your post online. So let's go back to our main dashboard. And also you can check some updates here like messages here. You can also check your comments here and also check your task. So you can also add some task here if you like to. And you can just check this box once the task completed. And also, tasks can be seen by all people who help manage your business because your Meta Business Suite can also be shared to other people, especially to freelancer if you want someone to manage your social media account. And here on the right side is where you can see the insight. So you can see here the trends. You will be seeing your Facebook page reach and also your Instagram reach. And also you have your audience here where you can check your Facebook page likes and the Instagram followers if how many people follow you or like your Facebook page. And also the good thing about Meta Business Suite is also available with the mobile app. So you can download the Meta Business Suite on your mobile device, on Android phone, or on your Apple device. And here you can also check your recent posts and the performance of each of your posts. And you also have your recent stories here. And you can also check the recent ads as well if you had a ads created. And grow your audience. You can invite friends and stories from similar businesses. So you can make use of this one for you to get an idea if what content works for your business. So you can also check your notification here. So like the likes, the comment, the messages, and others. So you also have your inbox here where you can check your messenger inbox and also your Instagram messages. So you can check all messages here. You can also check only messages on your messenger or only on Instagram. You can also check your Facebook comment and Instagram comment. And here you also have your posts and stories where you can create or schedule your post or your stories. So as you can see here, you can schedule your post here. And then you can also see your feed or your grid, especially on Facebook. Same with Buffer and other software. You can see the grid one, and you will be seeing what your page will be look like after all the scheduled posts will be uploaded inside your account. So you also have your Facebook photos here, your A/B test, mention and tags as well. And also you have commerce. So inside your commerce manager is where you can add your own shop and you can add your catalog. This is good if you will be selling on Facebook or on Instagram. So you also have your planner here. You can see everything in a calendar view. So as you can see, something like this. And also you have your ads here for you to create your own ads. So you also have your guide here, how you can create good ads. And then your insight to see the performance of your social media account. So you can check the overview, the result, the content, if what content works well. And you also have your audience here so that you will know if what kind of audience interact on your content that you posted online. And also you have other tools here that you can make use of as well inside your Meta Business Suite. So you have tools here to engage audience. You also have one to manage your account like your billing, your business app, file manager, page settings, a view page, and also your for your advertise like the ads, audiences, event manager, instant forms, and also analyze and report for your ads reporting insight. You can also sell product and services here, do some appointment, e-commerce, take orders, and also take services. And I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something today. And if you have any comment, just comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.